All right, so let's quickly run through what exactly the wholesale formula includes. First of all, you've got the brand new training videos. So this is a 2.0 version of the course, which is amazing. The resource vault and the business owner's playbook, which is the newest course created by Dan and Dylan from the wholesale formula. The community of the TWF alumni. It's just getting bigger and better with 6, 7, and 8-figure earners all in there. And this is the first time ever that the Wholesale Formula course is offering coaching from these actual big earners. So you'll actually be learning from people who have gone through the program, had success, and they're just paying it forward. So there's scouting, templates, resources, VA Launchpad. That's where you can learn to actually get your own VAs. But I've got something really cool to share with you in just a moment, and brand optimization formula. So, like, this is what everybody gets, all right? Everyone gets the wholesale formula with all these inclusions, but not everybody gets, let's scroll down, the Rapid Crush bonus package. Basically, I'm going to run through 10 bonuses here that are worth way more than the course cost itself. So let's run through what's actually included with this bonus package if you actually do get to buy through Rapid Crush. First of all is Managed by Stats and Seller Mail. And it's the one tool that you need, pretty much does everything, and it stops you buying a whole bunch of unnecessary softwares. Even though in the community there, all these people are talking about all ththese different things, you don't need anything but Managed by Stats. So one thing that is brand new and exclusive only to people who buy the wholesale formula through this Rapid Crush link is an amazing tool called MBS Retriever. It's a Chrome extension that makes the researching of the products, like actually applying the formula that you learn how to use, in seconds as opposed to minutes. I mean, the research process itself is, you literally just follow step by step and you get all your numbers and everything done. This tool just makes time so much, makes the whole process so much easier. So that's an exclusive purely just for anyone who actually uses the link below this video. So bonus number 2 is a done for you wholesaler website. Inside of the wholesale formula, they make a recommendation to an amazing web developer, but I think it's about $1,000 to get the actual website built for you. You don't need this to start getting brands. It just helps enhance and like makes you look more professional. So what these guys have done is said, well, don't pay $1,000. We'll include it for you. They are software developers and they have created a way to just literally fill in a few blanks and yeah, it's ready to go in seconds so that you've got something out of the gate. So that's $1,000 value and you don't have to pay anything for that. Next is Listing Level Up and Keyword Radar. So these are actually 2 exclusive trainings just for anyone who actually buys with the Rapid Crush link. And it's with Jason Fladlian, who is literally one of the biggest experts in Amazon on the planet. So these exclusive trainings are with Jason, and you won't get them anywhere else at all. Now, considering that he actually charges $3,125 for 1 hour of his time, this is easily worth the 6,250. People pay him that whenever they can actually get time with him. That's the minimum they pay. Next is brand bait. One other thing, because again, Rapid Crush, Jason Fladley Wilson Matos, because they are primarily software developers, they've created another new sort of fill in the blanks tool that takes quite an ugly report that gets provided by the wholesale formula with regards to showing a brand where it is that you can help them enhance their listing. You don't have to do this. This is just something that'll come a bit later on down the track. But these guys again have done a fill a blank template so you can actually produce a really impressive looking report. Again, at just like levels up your authority and credibility in helping actually get a wholesale account from a brand. Margin Software and PPC Entourage, just 2 more amazing pieces of software that is just going to actually save you a lot of money. The more you start making on Amazon, the higher the risk that Amazon are going to muck up some little fees. And by using the Margin Software, they don't mind being told that they've mucked up fees because they will literally just give it back to you. So this software just helps keep everything on track so that you're not losing any money. Now you don't need to do PPC, which is pay-per-click advertising, but maybe somewhere down the road you might look at actually doing some enhanced stuff if you want to like really scale your business. So another piece of software that'll be here ready to use when you need it. There is a course here, Search, Find, Buy. It sells pretty much every day for $2,000, and it is with the top selling or the fastest to reaching number one in his ranking. So this course on its own is a $2,000 course. So that's just something you can have a look at later when you're ready to kind of, after you've got your brands on board and you're ready to kind of step it up and really learn absolutely everything about how Amazon works. Now, the piece de resistance is this bonus 7. You're getting 1 year access to VA placement. This is actually the most incredible thing because you can start looking and using this formula. You need to learn it yourself anyway, but if you get a little bit bored with doing it after about 5 minutes like I do, then you literally just hand this task over to your VA. So these VAs, they are in the Philippines and they will cost you $4 an hour with a minimum of 5 hours. So for $20 a week, you can actually have a fully trained virtual assistant doing your research for you to bring you all the possible products that meet the criteria that will then give you a list of who to actually contact. Now, they can even do the contacting depending on how much time you want to hire them for by sending out the emails. So it's a unique bonus. Nobody else is getting that at all. There's a couple of really cool things that have actually come from the relationship that Rapid Crush have with Dan and Dylan, including 5,000 products in 136 minutes. So yeah, there is. This is a transcribed interview. It's amazing. They don't even have it themselves with the wholesale formula. It's just incredible. Compulsive success. This bonus may seem weird, it says, but this is an auditory program designed specifically for the wholesale formula. So every step of the process, you're going to actually have these amazing kind of like mindset ninjas literally talking you through and getting you into the right state of mind and the frame of mind to be able to do each step of this process. So you could like literally go to bed, listen to these tracks, next day get up and just quickly do what you need to do. This is super unique and nothing else like it exists anywhere. It's the first time I think even I've seen a mindset program being added into a step-by-step formula course and coaching program. It's incredible. So the last one is, this is pretty huge because it will actually mean having to sign a non-disclosure agreement. There'll be a 7-day period of time that you'll be able to actually get right in behind the success of Dylan and Dan and actually see how they landed their massive whale account, like literally word for word, how they got this account, how they got the exclusive on it, and how it is that it's brought them over $5 million in profit. So this will only be available for 1 week. You do have to sign a non-disclosure agreement to get access to it, but this is massive. And they've got here the retail value of $12,000 because nobody has ever heard of this outside of the $12,000 mastermind community members that literally pay to have Dan and Dylan speak to them and work with them directly. So that's a wrap up on top of the 30-day money back guarantee. All of the bonuses will get delivered to you within 72 hours after purchase. This is the last day of being able to get a hold of the wholesale formula. It's a crazy good course. It's been a game changer for us. It's probably the best course that we've ever seen, and the process itself is pretty amazing as well. And anyone can do it. That's the coolest part. But again, you won't get these bonuses anywhere but with this link below this video. You want the bonus pack because it's worth even more what the actual course is worth. So who knows when this will be open again. We may have an exclusive access to it sometime later in the year, but generally speaking, you can only ever join the wholesale formula officially once a year in February. So if you don't get it now, as I see the countdown timer is going down very slowly, we are less than 12 hours away. Now's the time to do it. Now's the time to get a hold of it. All right, thanks for listening, and look forward to seeing you in the TWF alumni community.